So we see this every single year, yet the media will come in. We see this every year, that the leaders become the laggards and the laggards become the leaders. I call it the January effect. People say, well, the January effect is supposed to be bullish for stocks. It's supposed to be bullish for the laggards. And I put a spin on everything. My January effect is once the first of the year starts, for the first week, leaders become laggards and laggards become leaders. I'm not saying trend's going to hold through the entire year. I'm saying the tax implications cause people who were sitting on these big gains to say, now I can lock in these gains. And there was some nervousness in these stocks ahead of that as well. And that's why you saw some of the best stocks, some of the ones that were up the most, getting hit the most yesterday. And that's to be expected. So we talked about it last week. It's why I was nervous. It's why I was a little bit skeptical yesterday morning of the rally. And I did use that rally to sell some of my stocks as well. So am I going to be buying the dip here? Probably eventually. But I don't want to be the hero and just jump in on day, like the second morning.
And I mean, the other thing too, and we go back and forth on this, the tax rate could effectively be higher in the United States for 2021. But if you're sitting on those excess gains and you're getting the inch, let's say, you reaped $100,000 and, harvested, well, I don't know what kind of return, risk-free return you're going to get on that unless you put it into Bitcoin. There's balances. And I was in the same situation with you. I didn't sell anything yesterday, but when everyone's in the chat, what are the top 5 stocks to buy? What are you buying? What are you buying? What are you buying? And it was like nothing. There was nothing out there. Nothing, a little bit more of a pullback, maybe look at some things. But no, today's going to be an interesting day to see what kind of follow through.